Here's the blizzard of 2016 in the DC metro area. There was so much snow the last couple of days, thought it wasn't going to stop. They closed the government today. No one had work. People still digging out from the snowstorm. And my friend, this girl, hasn't even called me. She must really be hunkered down, and doesn't even want to talk to anybody. Probably because her car is all snowed in. But at least she could have called me, sent me a message that she's okay after the blizzard of 2016 is over and done. So I shoveled. There's a lot of cars here. Some people are still trapped in their spots since last Friday, and they're gonna have a hard time getting out in the next day or so. So this has been the blizzard of 2016, and there's not too much else left to say except tomorrow's gonna rain. There's some people walking out here with their dogs, but at least they're not on the bike path today. On your left. And yeah, I don't want to move my car because I'm going to lose my spot. Everybody here ends up taking your spots if you move your car. So the blizzard of 2016 is over. Hopefully it'll be back to business later this week. In the meantime, this is Boss Ross, giving you my own perspective on the blizzard, which happened to be about 2 feet of snow in the DC area. And they say don't shovel unless you're all properly warmed up. Now, I didn't properly warm up, and I was sweating like a banshee. I tell you, you got to properly warm up your muscles, and you can't just get out there and start shoveling, or else you're gonna end up with some pain. So let me go see if I can help some residents out with their cars shoveling. Make some new friends here. Boss Ross signing out until the next blizzard of 2016. Blizzard number 1 is over. Hopefully there won't be another blizzard number 2. Okay, everybody. Talk to you later. Boss Ross out. Bye-bye.